third step, okay? And now I'm going to do the same thing in the other direction. So bent knee, close, straight, and notice how my hips move as I straighten. So I'm shifting my weight fully to this leg now. Triple step, shift. Triple step, shift. So that's the idea. Now, as it gets faster, you've got no time to do this stuff, but when it's slow, it really makes the basic step look a lot more interesting than just moving your feet like that. So that's why I try to introduce a little bit of technique as a part of this. So let's just do that again and try to think about keeping that knee bent in the first step and then straightening at the end of the second step. So here we go. Ready and triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Okay, looks like we just got triple step, rock step, tuck, spin, rock step. And then you just continue from there. So we'll start with the triple step here in closed position. Triple step, rock step, triple step. So that's familiar to everybody. Now if we have to go a lot faster, we do a 1-2 rock step, 1, 2, rock step, 1, 2. See how much faster you can do that. So that's pretty simple. And then we learned how to do the tuck and spin. So this is new for you, Deb. This is a way to get out of closed position and into open position. So it's triple step, rock step, tuck, spin, rock step. And then it's natural, I don't know, my body muscle memory has me doing a loop pass immediately after that because it just seems like the right thing to do. Triple step, triple step. So we learned 2 different passes. We learned the loop pass, which you just saw, which is this one. Step, rock step. And then the other one is called the arch pass, which is triple step, turn, rock step, turn, triple step, rock step. Remember how those are in 2 different triple steps? So the loop pass is on the first triple step, rock step, triple step, triple step, rock step, triple step, triple step, rock step. So that was just the 2 turns that we've learned. Let's see, what else did we learn? Oh, we learned the cuddle. So how to get into cuddle position from 2-handed open. So it's triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Now we're going to do some other variations off of that figure today, but that was one of the basic things that we learned. I think that's everything, is it? Am I forgetting anything?
The push.
Do we do the sugar push?
I think you did. You pulled in and then pushed back.
That's the tuck and spin. Yeah, that's the tuck and spin. Where the follower pulls her shoulder in, and my hand is flat, and then I push her to spin. And I can do that as an open. See how I would just let go of her? But the way I taught it was as a you hang on to her hand, so she has a reference point. But you can also do that as an open, and that's very similar to. When it's an open, it's very similar to what we're going to learn in a minute, which is the sugar push position. Raise your hands, just like a loop pass. See, the loop is right here, and she can look at me through the loop. It's like a little window. And then we complete that. Instead of doing the real loop pass where she goes right by me and does this, and we come back to here. In this case, I hold on to this other hand, and we end up here. And then we do a triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. So the leader is now back on the right foot. And now if I wanted to unravel her, I would do the same thing I'm going to do if I want to spin her. I raise my hand and tell her it's time to unravel, except at the end she's going to get an extra boost. So go ahead, triple step, triple step. So let's try that. Triple step. I'll try not to let you fall. Triple step, rock step, triple step, spin, rock step, triple step. And I always want to do that. Hand position. So now I'm right hand to right hand with her. And you need to be in that position to be able to do the swivel move. So next thing is, I'll tell you how to get there in a moment. I'm just breaking it down first. And then I get there, I take a step forward. So I'm actually swiveling on my right foot to get there, and I touch her shoulder. And now she's going to do the exact same thing and touch my shoulder while I swivel out on my left foot. Right? And then I'm swiveling on my right foot again, touching her shoulder again. She does the same thing. And
How
then
many
the third
steps
time,
is this each time?
each one of these is a triple step.
It's just one triple?
Yeah, so you're doing one step where there's normally a triple step. Okay? Now the third time I touch her shoulder, I'm going to be leading her to that open spin. And then it's triple step. And the follower needs to spin with her right hand out. So you have to keep your right hand out so the leader can catch it on the way by and reconnect with you. So if I, let's just do it again. And then can you get what's that rock step? So it's just over behind the back thing, and then swivel, 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 spin, back step, triple step, rock step, swivel, 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 spin.
Whoa!